This video is for educational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we need to talk about silver, because something big just happened. Silver just crashed all the way down to around $61, and now suddenly, it's bouncing back near $69. So what's going on? Is this the start of a crash, or a massive buying opportunity? Let's break it down. Over the past few days, silver has been under serious pressure. We've seen one of the sharpest drops of 2026, in fact, silver has fallen nearly 20% in just days in some sessions. And today alone, it even dropped close to the $61 level before bouncing back. But here's the key thing, this is not random. There are three main reasons behind this drop. Number 1, strong US dollar. Right now, the US dollar is getting stronger, and that's bad for silver. Because silver is priced in dollars, when the dollar rises, silver usually falls. Number 2, interest rates staying high. The Federal Reserve is not cutting rates anytime soon. Markets now expect maybe just one rate cut this year. And that's a big problem, because silver doesn't pay interest, so when rates are high, investors move their money elsewhere. Number 3, oil and geopolitics. Right now, global tensions, especially involving the Middle East, are pushing oil prices higher. And that's creating inflation fears, which is actually strengthening the dollar again. So instead of helping silver, it's putting pressure on it. Now here's something very important most people don't understand. Silver is not just a safe haven asset like gold. It's also an industrial metal. Around half of silver demand comes from industry, like solar panels, electronics, and EVs. So when the economy looks uncertain, silver gets hit twice. Investors sell it. And industrial demand fears increase. That's why silver always drops faster and harder than gold. But here's the deeper truth, this crash is also happening because silver was overextended. Earlier this year, silver exploded to insane highs, even above $100 plus in some moments. That created a lot of leverage, speculation, overconfidence. And now, the market is simply resetting. Big players are taking profits, and weak hands are getting shaken out. Now let's talk about the bounce. Why did silver jump back from $61 to around $69? Simple, strong support levels. Silver hit a key technical zone around $67 to $61, where buyers stepped in aggressively. This is what we call a reaction bounce. But the big question is this a real recovery, or just a temporary bounce? Here are the three possible scenarios. Scenario 1, short-term bounce continues. Silver could push back toward $80 to $85 if momentum continues. Scenario 2, more downside. If the dollar stays strong, we could even see silver drop toward $55 levels. Scenario 3, long-term bullish case still alive. Despite this crash, many analysts still believe silver could go back to over $100 in 2026. So here's the bottom line, this drop doesn't mean the silver bull market is over, it means we are in a high volatility phase. And in markets like silver, volatility is normal. The real question is, are you panicking, or are you preparing? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.